I'm gonna make a challenge for the Lego minifigures. Well, actually, just 5. We'll have a challenge to survive one entire day in the fridge. And the 5 minifigures will survive with these pieces. And the minifigures will be randomly picked. 3 from here and from this section, and 2 from this section. So let's get started, shall we? So I'm just gonna pick 3 from here. Which should I pick? I'm just gonna pick random. Nah, that's cheating. Okay. Coincidence. So I'm just gonna pick 2 from here, randomly. This is what I got. These are what I got, my choices that I randomly picked. Yeah. So we first got Alex here with the armor. Yeah. So yeah, she will probably survive. I'm not sure about Terry though. He might. He might not. He might get really hot in there. And out under the fridge or cold. Well, yeah. If it's cold down there, he won't survive. Yeah, so yeah, we have. So yeah, I got this guy random minifig custom one I made before. Yeah. And another custom one. I would say Jetstone. Yeah, I think this is. I forgot his name. What I called him. Yeah. So yeah, we should start, right? Yeah, let's start. Let's unpack these minifigures up. This minifig gets the batch. Yeah, really, it would be a really good choice for him. Yeah. Okay, next. He just needed a bone, I guess, for the fence. Yeah, he already has a defense tool, so yeah, he would be secured. He'll probably totally survive for an entire day. Alex gets the backpack for storing her stuff or food. Yeah. Better watch out, Harry, because Alex will steal your apple in an instant. I just gave the snowman just a skateboard for no reason, I guess. Well, yeah, for a reason to skateboard down the rings. And of course a bone for the wheelchair guy. No particular reason, but good defense probably. Yeah, you might need it. So let's start. So yeah, now we're gonna start now. Right now. Okay, it's been a day, so yeah. Whoa, what happened? A big difference. They look pretty good. Except, of course, those mustaches. So yeah, they don't look that happy, but yeah, at least they look something. Okay. Looks like Alex came prepared. Even the wheelchair guy has some food. Like a carrot. Even the freaking mouse has food. I guess nobody needed the skateboard. While Frosty the Snowman eats his carrot. Yeah. They eat it all? What happened to the bone? Eat a bone? Well, after that long field trip, a fridge field trip, for an entire day, they are still in good shape. They look good. Their mustaches got off. They look good. They're not exactly back home because, their house is, are in reconstruction. So they're staying here, maybe at this place. So, yeah. Or maybe that might be a video, or maybe not. Well, I don't know. It might be. So yeah. If you want that video to come, please like and subscribe. Please like and subscribe, and sorry guys, the rat was doing some annoying things, and the figures weren't liking it. So yeah, and I had to make another plate just in case if I make another video, but I might do more of it. Might not. I'm not sure. I just want to make that. So yeah, please like and subscribe to watch more videos, and probably help this video be created of the house. So yeah, bye guys, and I see you next time. Bye.